Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How do you say your name?
Yes, my name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Chloe.
Hello, Chloe. So, from where you are?
I'm in the UK at the moment.
Okay, that's great. So, what's your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Okay, English teacher.
No, primary school teacher.
Okay, that's great. And
Okay.
currently, you shifted from offline to online, right?
During the pandemic, yes. Yes, because we were repatriated back to the UK. We'd been living abroad.
Okay, that's nice. And other than that, what you do? I mean, you only do the teaching, and or maybe you have any other profession as well.
No, I'm a teacher. That's what I do.
Okay, that's great. So currently, I am interested to improve my pronunciation. So can you help me out with that?
I'm not a pronunciation coach, but I can do my best to help.
Uh-huh.
So where are you calling from?
I'm calling from India
Okay, whereabouts?
in the northern part.
A little bit more detail.
That's the detail that we are inside our room and just enjoying
What
the environment.
state?
Kashmir.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Yes, because of pandemic, so everywhere is, I mean, the environment is very clean. So just enjoying.
Excellent. And what do you do?
I am a software engineer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And are you able to work? Were you able to work through the pandemic?
Yes, yes. Actually, I started my own startup when
Okay.
when pandemic started. I left my job and I am successful in that. Currently, I get hired from an Italy client. So
Wow.
after a few days, I will be shifted from India to Europe.
Oh my goodness. You're actually physically moving to Europe.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Are you whereabouts are you going to be based? In Italy?
Actually, I have two projects, one in Portugal and another is in Italy.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the tasks which would be allocated to me. So accordingly, I will have to manage.
Okay. Where are you aiming for though to start with? Where's your initial landing point, as it were?
That is Gibraltar.
Gibraltar.
Yeah,
Oh wow. So you're actually going to be in the UK.
yeah,
But it's supposed to be very nice around there.
yeah. Actually, the company is registered in Gibraltar, but
Yeah.
I will be landed to Portugal,
Mm-hmm.
and there is one company, and another project is in Italy. So maybe it depends on the task which would be allocated to me. So yeah, that's fine for me.
Brilliant. That sounds amazing. Well, good luck with that. That sounds awesome.
Yeah, thank you. I'm also.
So, right, let's have a look. Some work on pronunciation.
Yes, please, because I'm going to Europe, and of course, I am considering myself that I am the best in pronunciation.
Yeah, but everybody will sound different again once you get to Europe.
But how you are rating me that how is my pronunciation for now?
Um, your pronunciation is fine. I mean, I can understand you perfectly well.
So you mean that can you judge that I am from India?
Oh yes, I can tell that you're from India, but you're fully understandable.
Okay, but that's the point because when I'm trying to make the other person understand, so of course my message should be transferred to them.
Yeah. Okay. And you will find that everybody that you come across in Europe will speak with a completely different accent anyway.
Yes, but they will be considering me that I am the fluent one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start with some minimal pairs. Okay, so each row contains a minimal pair contrasting the th and t sounds.
Okay.
First, review the pronunciation of each minimal pair. Next, for each row, the tutor says either the left or the right word. You have to circle which word you heard. Okay, so you should have a pen on your screen to be able to circle.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, okay. Just clear that. All right, then you have to say a word and I have to circle the word that you've said.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have a look at them first.
Yes.
And read the words in the pairs.
Yes. Tank.
Yep.
Pin.
Yep.
Thought.
Yep.
Bat.
Okay, careful with this one. Okay.
Bath.
I say bath.
Okay.
Bath, okay. But some people will teach you to say it as bath, which is a bit of a posh way of saying it. So if you're finding you're struggling to distinguish those two sounds, you can always say it in the posh English voice, bath.
Okay. Then the next one is both.
It's the
Yeah. Both.
And boat. Yeah.
Pat.
Mm.
Then we have cloth.
Yeah.
Thread and thread.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Tug.
Okay. It looks like, it sounds like to me, the th sound, when it's at the end of the word, is something that you need to work on. Okay, so just from reading those, I've picked up that when it's at the end of the word, it's harder to distinguish between whether it's a th sound or a t sound.
Yes, correct. So can you suggest me any specific website or maybe any tutorial which I can follow and improve my pronunciation?
I can't. I don't know is the honest answer. There's lots of videos on YouTube that you could probably find. The Cambridge English website is really good.
You are talking about BBC English Learning?
No, Cambridge.
Okay, can you give me the link?
I don't know what the link is. Hang on just a second. Oh, we're going to run it. Let's have a look.
So you have not practiced your English, your native language is English, so that's why you are fluent, right?
Sorry, say that again.
I'm talking about that your native language is English, so that's why you are fluent. Otherwise,
yes.
you have not learned English from somewhere, right?
No, English is my first language.
Oh, okay, great. So cambridgeenglish.org, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
they have pronunciation activities on there to help.
Yes, of course. Actually, I have needed some practice, so I will be doing from this website, and maybe I will get help. And before that, I was working on my pronunciation by listening and speaking from the exercises which are provided by BBC English Learning. So they have exercises for beginners, advanced level, and intermediate level. So I practiced there, and because of that, I got a lot of changes in my pronunciation.
Excellent. Well, that's brilliant. And watching English language movies and TV shows, that will help as well. Actually, anything that exposes you, the more you expose yourself to hearing it.
Someone also recommended me that I need to watch movies, but you can imagine that in the movies, our concentration is different, so we forget about English.
It helps. It all helps. The more you listen, the better it'll be. Good luck.
Yes. Okay. Bye.